Welcome back everyone. I'm going to be showing you how I make my super moisturizing hibiscus shampoo. This shampoo will help strengthen your hair, moisturize your hair, and it's not going to leave your hair feeling stripped, but it's going to leave your hair soft and well moisturized. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this shampoo. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have so many other helpful DIYs, so please check those out. And also please check out my website where I sell natural skincare products. I got started by infusing some dried hibiscus flowers in some oil using a cold process method. You can infuse your hibiscus however you like. You can do it on the stove, but I used a cold process method. And in infusing my oils, I also added some alkanet powder to give it some color. So that's what gave it this red vibrant color, but that is optional. You don't have to add the powder. If you don't add the powder, you're not going to have any color. So this is how my oil looks like after infusing for about 2 weeks. I'm going to get started weighing out my xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin. You can also use guar gum or any other thickener that you like, and I'll leave all the measurements in the description box. I'm going to start combining my water-based ingredients, starting with distilled water, and to this I'm adding in some honey quartz. If you don't have this, that is fine. Honey quartz is just super moisturizing for your hair, and it also helps to improve the feel of your hair. But if you don't have this, that's fine. And to this I'm adding some apple cider vinegar, which will help lower the pH of your hair. I'm also adding in some DL panthenol, which will help strengthen your hair and also help your hair retain moisture. I'm also using some hibiscus extract that will help strengthen your hair, condition your hair, and hibiscus also helps with hair loss. If you don't have this, don't worry about it. The hibiscus infused oil is more than enough. One of the main ingredients is my marshmallow root powder. This has so many great proteins and vitamins for your hair. It does have a slight smell to it, so just be aware of this, but it has such good benefits. Now that everything has been combined, I'm just going to set this aside and I'm going to work on my surfactants. I'm using desoglucoside. That's the only surfactant I'm using. It's a natural surfactant and it's gentle and mild on your skin. You can use any other surfactant that you like that's also gentle and mild. And to this, I'm going to add my hibiscus infused oil. Desoglucoside also acts as an emulsifier. If you don't use desoglucoside and you use something else, you might need to add an emulsifier like sunflower lecithin or polysorbate 20. So I'm just going to mix it all up, and if you notice, the color did change because desoglucoside has a high pH of between 11 to 12, but the color will change back once it's pH balanced. I'm going to combine my surfactant mix to my water mix, and I'm going to just mix it well till it's combined, and I'm just going to be careful so that way I don't activate too much lather. And please don't forget to sign up for my next 2 classes. Both classes are going to be online. All the information is in the description box and the link to register is there as well. I'm going to check the pH for this shampoo next. The pH of your hair is between 4.5 to 5.5. So for this, it was at 5.24 because of the apple cider vinegar that was added. So I didn't need to do anything else. I'm just going to go on and add my preservative. I went ahead and I added in my xanthan gum mixture, and I just mixed till everything was well combined. I did switch over to my whisk and I just kept mixing for about 45 seconds to a minute. It does thicken up pretty quickly. I forgot to mention that I used xanthan gum soft, which is more of a cosmetic grade xanthan gum. So just make adjustments as you like. But so far this is what my consistency is looking like. And the hibiscus shampoo is pretty much ready. You can use this as often as you like. It's not stripping on your hair in any way. It's going to feel really moisturizing and soothing on your scalp and hair. So please go on and try this recipe out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please like this video as always. And thank you all so much for your lovely comments in my last video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.